Welcome to the virtual tour of 13 Faddie Street in Cairnlea. This property is located on a corner block and directly opposite a reserve in a nice quiet street with local schools nearby. 13 Faddie Street is a 4-bedroom, 2-bathroom, single-level residence with a double lock-up garage. As we enter, we are greeted by a long hallway, and to our right-hand side, we have the large master bedroom. Floorboards and feature walls. And located just behind the bedroom is the wall-to-wall walk-in robe. With a large ensuite. Double shower. Double basin. Just following on from that bedroom 1 is the double lock-up garage with internal entry, and then bedroom 2. Bedroom 2 again has hardwood floors, feature wall and double wardrobe. We are then greeted with a huge open plan living area with feature lighting, split system, air conditioning, linen press, breakfast bar, the kitchen has a wide set oven, built-in microwave, 5-burner stove, lots of cupboard and bench space, dishwasher, and huge pantry. Located off the kitchen and informal living space is the formal lounge room. This is the only area that contains carpet. Just past the formal living and kitchen, and in the back end of the house, we've got a study cove. So just an open space that sits outside of bedroom number 3 and 4. So both bedrooms are of similar size, with wardrobes. Servicing bedrooms 3 and 4 and this study area. Further down the corridor, we have the powder room and master bathroom with shower recess, basin and bath.
covered.
The backyard is low maintenance with modest garden beds, artificial lawn and a pergola, which makes this a great entertainment area as all of the shades come down for additional protection. With a lovely view of the reserve from the backyard.